to my channel.
Where was that going? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week. Usually Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, but just 4 times a week, sometime during the week. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so then you know when I'm uploading on those 4 days of the week, every week. If you have subscribed, then you're my doll baby. Hi doll baby, hi doll baby.
Hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi, 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 hi.
Hi doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. Okay, so today I have a special video because I am informally partnering with HairUWear, which is a company that makes Raquel Welch, okay? And I'll tell you the whole story and what this video is all about in just 1 minute. This girl is Well-Played. I have a review coming up on Well-Played in a different color, and then I have a comparison already up, and I will link that. But I had an issue with a wig and I reached out to HairUWear on Instagram. They got right back to me. They addressed my issue. And then they sort of sent me this wig, which is Well-Played in the color SS Iced Cafe Latte. Okay. And when they did that, we talked about how sort of when a wig has a monofilament part or a lace front monofilament parting, a monofilament cap, the whole point of it is that it can move freely and more naturally, and you can sort of part it the way you want and lay it the way you want. But that does mean that you have to sort of train them to go where you want. So this video is how I did that. There's some clips after this part. It's not too long and it's also not very complicated. I show you how you can sort of put the part where you want it without heat, because a lot of wigs that we're doing that with, especially like name brand wigs, are not heat safe. So essentially what I did was I parted this wherever I wanted to part it, and this is where I wanted to part it. I used my hair clips like this to sort of clip it back where I wanted it to be in the part, and I always like to like sort of twist the front so that it is like smoother. So I clipped it. I first tried this Trestle wig wax. This is sort of a very light hold product, which is great, but to set the part I need a little bit more heavier. And so I use this Aussie Instant Freeze hairspray, which I absolutely love. I sprayed the hair whilst it was clipped back, and then I used my Revlon Ionic, it's like an air dry kit, or an air style kit. I have a whole review up on it. It has like different attachments. This is just the blow dryer attachment, but what I love about this is that it uses air, obviously, but it has 3 settings. It has high, low, and then it has cool. So you can just use cool to style, and I really, really love it. I also like it because it's not that heavy. For me, if you're doing all this, like, I don't want it to be super heavy. So I love that. And I just clip this side back, use the air until the fibers were sort of dry, and then just comb through a little, not a ton because I want it to stay where it is. I just comb through a little bit, and then they're set where I want them. And yeah, that is really all there is to it to set apart for a wig that is not heat safe. Yeah, I want to thank HairUWear because first of all, they were amazing to work with. If you ever have any issues or trouble, their customer service was amazing, and they were just like on it right away and addressed my concern. So I love the wigs. I love Raquel Welch, but the fact that it's a great customer service honestly is like even better, because it could be a great product, but if the customer service isn't great, then yeah, especially when you're talking about a name brand wig where you're spending several $100s. I want to know that people have my back.
Guess what? HairUWear had my back. Okay.
So thank you to them. Like I said, there's a full video on the review of this wig in another color, but I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to sort of put the part where you want it, and just remind you that you do have to put the part where you want it. It doesn't just come that way. So if you get a wig and it's a monofilament top or parting and it's sort of flapping all around and you're kind of like, what's up with that, this is a quick and easy way where you can address that. And you could just use your regular blow dryer on no heat, or it doesn't have to be this. I just really love this. So that's what I have for you for this video. If you have any thoughts about this wig or the technique, or monofilament parts, put that down below. If you have subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!